Hello students, welcome to our class. We are going to study science subject synthetic fibers and plastics. As in early classes you have studied that fibers are classified into two types, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers get from animals and the vegetables, plants. So the natural fibers you take, they are obtained from plants and animals. Cotton and jute are plant fibers and silk and wool are animal fibers. If you take synthetic fibers, they are obtained by technological innovations and chemical treatments. Human made these in these industries. So what are synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. Synthetic fiber is a type of chain of small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many such small units combine to form a large unit. This is called a polymer, and this process is called as polymerization. You can see here small beads are there. They are all monomer molecules. Okay, they join together and they form a long chain, which is called as a polymer. Poly means many. Mer means joining. So polymerization processes happen. So for example, you take clip. Okay, you can take the clip and you join the clips. So single clip is called as a monomer. The chain clip is called as polymer. Understand? Next one is characteristics of synthetic fibers. If you take the characteristics of synthetic fibers, they are very strong when compared to the cotton fiber, and synthetic fibers are absorb less water. If we suspend the synthetic fiber and cotton fiber in a weight, synthetic fiber bear more weight. From this, we can conclude that the synthetic fibers have high strength than the cotton fiber. Synthetic fibers have light weight when compared with the cotton fibers. Synthetic fibers are more durable, and synthetic fibers are not attacked by moth and insects when we compare with the natural fibers. They are attacked by the insects. Synthetic fibers have smooth texture as compared to the natural fibers, and synthetic fibers are less expensive and readily available as compared to the cotton. So as a conclusion, the synthetic fibers are durable, less expensive, readily available, easy to maintain, and they can dry up quickly. So because of these characters, they are used in clothes and sleeping bags and tent also. We can make these products from the synthetic fibers. If you take natural fiber and synthetic fiber, they have advantages and disadvantages. So natural fiber is biodegradable, synthetic fiber is non-biodegradable. They can made from renewable resources. Synthetic fibers made from oil finite resources. And natural fibers can be expensive. Synthetic fibers are very cheap, and natural fibers don't last very long. Synthetic fibers are long lasting, and they are useful in the properties like light, and they are flexible also. Okay, so when you take synthetic fibers, big disadvantages, they are toxic fumes when they are burned. Next, types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. These are the types of synthetic fibers. First one is rayon. This is the first man-made fiber. It is prepared from cellulose, that is wood pulp. So cellulose is a natural fiber. So it needs some extensive chemical treatment to form the rayon. Hence it is called as a semi-synthetic fiber. Rayon is also called as artificial silk because it has the similar properties of silk. And the properties of rayon: it is semi-synthetic fiber, it is manufactured regenerated cellulose fiber, it is also called as viscose rayon and art silk, and it is a regenerated and it is versatile fiber. It has comfort properties. They can be easily dyed. So we can get various colors. It is soft, smooth, cool, comfortable and highly absorbent. They do not insulate body heat, so they can be used in humid hot climates. And uses of rayon. Rayon can imitate the feel and texture of silk, wool, cotton and linen. So it can be mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Rayon fabrics are smooth, cool and comfortable, so they can be easily dyed and we can get in range of various colors, so that it can be used in making apparels. For example, the dresses, jackets and earrings and shoes. Next one is nylon. Nylon, if you take, it is a very strong fiber. When you take the nylon, it is very strong as compared to steel rope. Okay, it is a completely synthetic fiber. Rayon is a semi-synthetic. Nylon is prepared by coal, water and air. So it is completely synthetic. At first, the Wallace Carothers and his team only want to make a fiber which is strong, elastic and durable. They invent the nylon. They make nylon using the coal, air and water. So it was first prepared in 1931. So it was the first fully synthetic fiber. So coal, you take, this coal is came from petroleum product. We use the petroleum product here. Next one is characteristics of nylon. Variation of luster. Nylon has the ability to be very lustrous, semi-lustrous or dull. They can be in various lusters. And durability, its high tenacity fiber are used in seat belts, tire cords, everything. And it has the high elongation capacity. It has excellent abrasion resistance and it is highly resilient, that is heat set, and it high resistance to insects, fungi, animals as well as molds, rot and many chemicals also. So that it is used in carpets and the nylon stockings also there. And it can be melted instead of burning. It won't burn, it can be melted. These are all characteristics. So if you take the nylon cloths, it won't absorb more water. It absorbs less water. Cotton absorbs more water. Uses, due to its high strength, it is used for making fishing nets, ropes, etc. and used for making the fabrics also. So you take the ropes, people who want to climb up on mountains, they use the nylon ropes. And it is also used in making machine pots. It is often blended with wool to increase the strength of the wool. And you see fishing net, parachutes and bags. These are all other things used by nylon. You can see nylon gear, nylon tent also we can make. And the umbrellas, nylon umbrellas also. And another one major uses, it is used in brush bristles and also parachutes. Thank you.